Welcome to 94536 Koaleo Street, Unit A, located in the heart of Waipahu in the beautiful Sugar Mill Estates. This is Blueprint Real Estate Advisors' newest listing by Martina Flowers. My name is Duke, and I'm a broker based in Honolulu. Today, we're going to explore this stunning 2015 built 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath home packed with modern upgrades and smart home features that make living here both luxurious and energy efficient. The home features 2,526 square feet of living space on an 8,312 square foot lot. As we step inside, you'll immediately notice the grand entertainment spaces, perfect for hosting family gatherings or relaxing after a long day. And for those who love to cook, the large gourmet kitchen with stainless steel appliances is sure to impress. The primary suite offers spacious walk-in closets. Throughout the home, you'll find smart lighting, a Ring doorbell system, and even a Tesla battery in the garage, all controlled by Amazon's Alexa for ultimate convenience. With 34 owned PV panels, a tankless solar water heater, and 2 attic fans, this home is designed to keep you cool and energy efficient year-round. Plus, the standard freezer that converts to a refrigerator is included as an added bonus. Let's head inside and take a look. And that wraps up our tour of this incredible home at Sugar Mill Estates. From the modern amenities and energy-saving features to the spacious layout, and smart home capabilities. This property has everything you need for comfortable and convenient living. If you can picture yourself calling this place home, don't hesitate to reach out to me for more information or to schedule a tour. My contact info is in the description below. I'd be happy to answer any questions and help you explore the possibilities of living in this centrally located Waipahu neighborhood.